An ideal recipe for hot days. We will show you how to make your own smoothies. The ingredients are 7 ounces of fruits, 7 ounces of ice, 4 ounces of yogurt, 2 mint leaves, and some sugar. Place the clean fruit and the yogurt inside the blender. Then add the mint, the ice, and the sugar. Blend everything until the ice is completely crushed. Serve in cups, and as easy as that, you will have made your own smoothies.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.